1, 2, 3, and 4. That's the last one.
1. All right, today we're gonna actually bring some ceiling lights, and these are recessed ceiling lights, and these are easy to install. It's just pretty much you clip them into any kind of cutout that you do. If you have a drywall, these are actually perfect. They actually mount by opening the little wings, and they automatically click on. Now they push themselves up a little bit higher so they could be flush, if you guys can see. Now, one of the great things I like about these things is that the module controller has different settings for different lighting or effects, right? And you got all the way through 2700 to all the way to 6000 Ks, or lumens, I would say. So it's very powerful. You can make it as powerful as you want or as light as you want, depending on your usage that you want. You can do that. Now the module box has a couple punch out boxes here, punch out holes actually, and you got 3 cables that you have to worry about. You got your ground, your hot, and your neutral. So we're going to set this up right now as a demo so you guys can see how bright they are, and we're going to change the actual settings to see the brightness. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so when you're mounting to the ceiling, make sure you pass the box first, right? And you have to choose what you want to set up first. So we're going to do it the lowest one, and then we're going to do it the highest one. So set this in the bottom. Make sure you cut a nice hole. There's a template too, also along with it, and just pass this through. And that's one end. That's one end. We're gonna turn on the lights to see how bright. That's the lowest we have right now on the ceiling light, and that's a little yellowish. We're gonna go down the line so you guys can see all the different types of lumens that we have. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're gonna go down the line 1. While it's connected, that's 1 connection. All right, 2, 3, and then the last one. That's the brightest that we have, the 6000. So overall, it's flush. It's on the ceiling. It works very well. It was very simple to install and easy to plug in. Just 3 connections, and that's it. So let's go back down the line. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's the last one. We're gonna keep it at the lowest, but at the highest actually. I like it brighter. This is something I will use for my studio. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.